Local drugstores are pulling the popular heartburn medication Zantac off store shelves over concerns the product may contain a chemical that causes cancer. It's big news for the roughly 500,000 Minnesotans who take the medication for acid reflux. As Delane Cleveland reports, there's a clinic in Maple Grove where heartburn sufferers can go for help on what to do next.
Whenever there's a big game on TV, people tend to flock to a local bar to enjoy some food and have a few drinks. Which is fine, as long as it's done in moderation. But too much of a good thing could result in acid reflux.
Carbonation, sodas, beers, anything that's going to cause stomach expansion creates pressure on that valve.
Dr. Kourtney Kemp is director of the Twin Cities Heartburn Center in Maple Grove, which helps people diagnose and treat heartburn and acid reflux.
It can be anything from a cough, acid in the throat, a burning sensation, sometimes asthma, but the true underlying cause of how they feel is usually reflux or ulcer disease, and that's what we're trying to determine.
Reflux happens when harmful acid in the stomach comes up the esophagus due to a loose valve.
Your valve is kind of a muscular, it keeps and holds to prevent the acid from coming back up the esophagus. It opens to allow food to pass. When you have reflux, this valve doesn't quite close.
Pharmacy shelves are stocked with medication to help reduce acid production in the stomach. But these medications don't address the primary cause of reflux.
If you've been on it for more than 8 weeks and you don't have complete relief, or even if you're on it and you want to try to go off it, it would be good to talk to your regular doctor or even us at the heartburn specialist, say, hey, I want to go off this medication. Is it safe?
One form of treatment is a procedure where they encircle the valve in the esophagus with magnetic beads called links.
It's physically designed for pressure to withstand reflux, but not too much pressure that it prevents you from swallowing.
One way to avoid all of these issues is to simply maintain a healthy lifestyle.
Diet and exercise with anything.
In Maple Grove, Delane Cleveland, CCX News.
Failure to treat acid reflux could lead to serious complications such as esophageal cancer.